Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Ox Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. Ox Horoscope 2020 says that if you didn't like your past, then this is the year to change your present to make the future better for yourself and the people around you. The past may have been difficult, but if you work hard, like we know oxen can, then you should have no problem turning your life around. The more effort that you put into this change, the faster it is likely to happen in this Chinese year of the white metal rat. The ox is the second sign in the Chinese zodiac. People who are born in the year of the ox are said to have many ox-like personality traits. These people tend to be determined in everything that they do, hardworking, and serious. At times, they can be stubborn and a bit of a loner, but when they find the right friend or partner, they can be great to be around. Overall, Chinese oxen are dependable and will never quit on something or someone who they believe in. As you can see, the ox has many good traits, just like the people who are born in the year of the ox. These traits work well to shape the year and horoscope of people born under the year of the ox in 2020. 2020 ox predictions for love. Is ox lucky in 2020? This is an up and down, make or break kind of year when it comes to love, romance, and social interactions in general. If mapped out in a line, your social life would look much like a row of hills this year. You may feel more expressive this year, or you may want to know more about your partner this year. No matter what you are feeling, you are sure to want some change. Or, your partner will want some change. This could cause things to get better in your relationship, or worse in this year of the rat. If you are in a relationship that is bad most of the time, friendly or romantic, then 2020 is a good year to dump them. This is one way to get rid of the past's bad effects on your present. You will want to have a balance in your social life. If you are single, then you are likely to want to get into a passionate relationship. If you are in a relationship, then you are more likely to search for new friends. Will the ox get pregnant in 2020? Do whatever feels right to you, but try to go with the flow. This year is full of social changes, and you might as well go with them. Ox 2020 career astrology. Ox 2020 predictions forecast that your work life should be relatively calm this year. Projects will come and go, but the pace of things should be pretty stable. There will be a sense that changes are near, which could be true. Try to find out whatever you can about the future of your career. Talking to co-workers and superiors is a great way to find out what is going on at your workplace. Some challenges will come your way, but it's nothing that you won't be able to handle. Work with your natural skills, and you will shine in your career in 2020. Ox 2020 finances. Year of the ox lucky in 2020? You should work on organizing your financial life in the first 4 months of the year. By doing this, you will make the rest of your year a lot easier for yourself. Be logical with your purchases. Do not spend an extra cent on yourself until you can pay all of your bills and debts off. Do not be distracted by flashy sales, pay for the necessities and save the rest in this Chinese New Year 2020. Year of the ox predictions for health. The 2020 Chinese horoscope predicts that the ox will feel like they have more energy this year. You will not need to worry about your health much this year. Instead, you should focus on your mental health. Still, try to exercise, but don't push yourself, eat well, and get enough sleep. You need to recharge your batteries if you want to do well in 2020.